What's up, my Pungios? Andy Vlogs on site here in my basement again in the cold storage cellar because I'm needing to put together this stair dolly cart, trolley cart. Name of the product is in the description. Also in the title you'll be able to see exactly the name of the product. I can't remember its name. I think it's like WOQED or something like that. Nonetheless, I've got this really heavy water softener that came with the house when I bought it, and I've since gotten a better water softener, and so I've got this water softener that's just kind of chilling in my basement, and that's where this camera is attached to. It's actually being my tripod right now, and so I'll overlay it with some B-roll. Nonetheless, I went out and purchased this trolley cart that climbs stairs, and we're going to put it together right now, and I'm going to show you how to use it. And then if you're interested, check down below in the description for the product details and link. That's how you can help support the channel. Quick unboxing here. Nothing too out of the ordinary. A box that's inside of a box? Huh. That's odd. I didn't buy a used cart, but for some reason, I guess when this got shipped from its manufacturer, it got damaged, I guess. Alright, we got some assembling to do. Here's the hardware. And you're supposed to affix these wheels to it. Let me show you the instructions. See, it's completely in Chinese. But I think I can follow the instructions. Yeah, where each one of these holes are, you're going to be putting one of the wheels. And you've got a little wrench it came with and an Allen wrench. So you're going to need to figure this out. So when this goes down and locks into place, this is the dolly trolley side. So this is where your heavy items are going to go on. So you're going to want your screw to go down. You want the screw head to go down like that. Okay? According to the picture, the big ones are for the back, the small ones are for the front. Okay? Because maybe that's where more of the weight is distributed. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to hand tie these nuts in till I can get it tight. Okay, then you're going to get the screw and the nut. You're going to use the wrench to hold it. And then we're just going to screw it tight. Alright, there's one. Okay. Alright, I got the first two wheels on. Let's go for the next two. Longer screws are going to be on the back, bolts, whatever you call them. Okay, one more leg. I think they're all screwed in tight. Okay. Alright, so now we've got the legs on it. And the idea here is that this is where you're going to put your heavy gear, and then this kind of pivots as you go up the stairs. And it gives you better, I don't know, better leverage going upstairs, I guess. You use the bungee cord to make sure that it doesn't fall that way. I've got the water softener here, very heavy, it's probably over 150 pounds. We've got our dolly, trolley, wally, stair climber. The one thing here is that you do have some articulation, but being able to like do the initial approach and to place it into whatever you're lifting is going to be difficult because of this lip or this ridge. It seems like to me that if you wanted, you could take these two front wheels off. That way it touches the ground, but that's for another day. Okay, so I'm going to try to heft this on here by kind of maneuvering it. Placing it in. Well, let's see if I can get it to come up. Okay. Alright, so now I've got it suspended on the trolley. I'm going to grab I'm going to push this forward actually. Will it stay? Yeah, it looks like it'll stay. That's pretty good. I'm going to grab the bungee. Okay. So that should keep it from falling off. Let's go put some shoes on. Okay, let's get going. Up we go. This is incredibly heavy. I can't get it. This is not helping get upstairs. It's supposed to help get upstairs. Okay. Oh man, that was heavy. Oh man, that's so heavy. Holy crap. Oh, this is so heavy, I can't do it. I can't do this. Holy frick. I am not strong enough to do this. Yes, I am. I am strong. Oh, that's so difficult. Oh my gosh. I got like 50 more stairs to go. Oh man, that's so heavy. I went up 3 stairs. I'm dead. I have this lip on these stairs, that's why it's so difficult. Oh man. I'm dying. I'm gonna die. I can do its job, it's just where the stairs are incredibly difficult. Oh man, it's like sitting there I think I'm gonna die. Oh man, holy crap, 4 more stairs. I'm gonna ruin my stairs. I can't get it. I can't get it. Oh. You mock me, stair roller. Ouch! It gets stuck on that lip. Oh, frick me. Frick me. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. I about lost it there. I about lost it there. I'm gonna die. I can't do it anymore. I lost it there. Yes! Success! Success. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold this going down. I don't think I can do this. Okay, I'm losing it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, man. It's way better going downstairs because it pivots. That was way better going downstairs. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, I'm losing it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, man. It's way better going downstairs because it pivots. That was way better going downstairs. Okay. Alright, perfect. There it is. Okay. Do that. That's it. After about a half an hour of work, being able to haul it up the stairs, that took a lot of time and stress. Man, I'm like worn out. It did work though. Going downstairs was way better, just because of the pivoting legs, but going up the stairs was incredibly difficult because it was so heavy and my stairs had lips, but nonetheless, it's pretty straightforward. It's easy to put away, folds up like that, easy stowaway. Pretty good product, I'd say. With that said, folks, thanks so much for checking this out. Andy with Andy Vlogs, signing out.